Today's camera tip is be mindful of your backgrounds. So right here I'm standing in front of a block wall, and the first tip is to get some distance between you and the block wall, because when you're standing right next to it, it kind of looks like a mugshot. But if we could just back up a little bit, then this shot looks just a little bit better. Still not a great background, just a plain block wall, but just a little bit better. Now the same shot just 5 feet away has a much nicer background with the greenery and the trees, and it makes your audience engage with you a little bit more. But again, be mindful, don't be too close to these things, because then they start growing out of your head and out of your ears and it looks kind of funny. So get some distance from that background. Now, if your background has movement, like this waterfall behind us right now, you want to be mindful of 2 things. A, that the light and your camera can keep up with all of that movement, and B, that there's not too much noise so nobody's going to be able to hear you, because waterfalls tend to be very loud. So, be mindful of your background. That's your camera tip for the day.